Hello everyone, welcome you all in an ISO certified live training program, design of complete structure using Etabs, Rcdc and Excel. In this training program, we are going to cover all about the Etabs and Rcdc from basic to advanced. Design of real life medium rise structure up to G plus 5 floors. Design of real life medium rise structure up to G plus 8 floors with some advanced topics. Design of real life high rise structure up to G plus 30 floor with all advanced concepts and topics. Design of some important structural elements by using advanced Excel sheets. Including of all this content, we are going to cover some miscellaneous topics as design and detailing of the shear walls and lift core walls in Etabs and Rcdc softwares. Design and detailing of overhead and underground water tanks. Have a look over the features of this training. Daily live classes conducted by experts for 1.5 hours. Recording of every session with lifetime access. Can interact with expert anytime, 24/7. Exposure to real practice. ISO certification of training completion. It's 5-star rated training program. Till now more than 1,000 participants have benefited from this training program. Now you are the next. New batch is going to start from 1st of February 2023. The demo session will be on 29th of Jan 2023 in morning at 11 o'clock.